Hi YouTube, Adrian here, and this is my son Danny, and today we're going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 2004 Mitsubishi Diamante station wagon. Danny, how about you show everyone what we're going to be using today? What have we got over here? You pick up the oil, you show everyone the oil. You start with the tools, very good. So that's the ratchet. Ratchet. 24mm ratchet. You want to pop that down? You'll show us something else. Right. You show us the oil. See the oil here? You pick that up and show us. Oh, heavy oil, isn't it? Heavy? Heavy oil. What about that white box? What's in the white box? See down there? Yeah. You have a look in the box. What's down in there? That's the filter. The filter. You show the filter to the camera. Oh, that's the sump plug washer. Danny, you show the filter to the camera. That's the oil. Thank you. Oh, careful. And we're also going to use a jack and an axle stand just for ease of access. Ease of access. Do you want to jack that car up for us, Danny? Good work. Bolt. Plus. Good work. What's in there, Danny? That's the oil filter. Yeah, that's the oil filter. Let's have a look. You show that to the camera. Yeah, cool. Right, so now we've got the car jacked up, and we're going to start the oil draining from underneath. Okay, so here we are at the underside of the car. We've got the filter there, and just around the back here, we've got the sump plug to drain the oil. Right, you carry on and finish this, Danny, and I'm going to go have a break. Can you reach up under there with the ratchet? Good boy. That's it, fix the car. Good work, Danny. Just catching the oil into a drain tray. Okay, so we've got the new filter on, the sump plug back in. Let's get this car back down so we can fill it up with oil. Okay, Danny, you show everyone the oil you're going to put in the car. There we go. Put it in the funnel. Good boy. Danny, can you pull that dipstick out and we'll check the oil? Yeah, pull the dipstick out.
Sick.
Oh. Okay, Danny, now we've got to start the car to run up the oil filter. Here you go. and turn it. Are you just going for a drive?
Safe.
A drive. Should we go check that oil? Well done, Danny. That's our job done. High five.